was my foundation. Thoughts stuck to you like the drops that fell. Slowly, harshly, they soaked in regardless, somewhere. The street lights at night, like the moon rising over the ripples of tide. You can't walk on the ocean, but you can walk on mine. Wet cement revealed every rock and pebble at a particular angle. Wet mulch, white roses, lavender, pine released their smell in the rising mist. Mulch, always my favorite. Rain was my foundation. It gave me these observations.